Now any producer or any organization, when they are producing the product, of course you have to study the consumer perception, their needs, their wants. Based on the whatever you develop product, now you are trying for the introducing or launching a product to real market. Okay, when promotion is high, price is high, rapid skimming strategy. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. I am Natesh, lecturer in commerce, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, MYSURU, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in the Unit 4, Section 2, first semester B.B.A, Marketing Mix. What is product failure? The causes for new product failure and some of the examples of product failure and product life cycles, meaning and definitions, be thorough, and marketing strategy for product life cycle. Because in this agenda, moving forward for going for one by one, the first one, what is product fail? The product fail means what? If the product, when you are trying to launch as a businessman, when they are trying to launch a product in the market, of course the customers are not ready to accept. There are too many reasons. Okay, so the product failure is a product inability. You have to remember this word, inability to establish itself well and persist in the market. Because whenever there are million of products are fail due to number of reasons, like they don't have any awareness, because the consumer finally they are purchasing a product. Okay, so of course the consumers want to accept. Now consumer to consumer, their characters, their unique characteristic will be keep on change. So all the product whatever the businessman are offering to the end consumer, of course it cannot be a succeed. Few product can be fail, okay, due to number of reasons. So which could be a result of poor performance in the market. Poor performance, for example, as a marketers, when they are launching a product, of course they want to spend advertisement. Okay, they want to create more awareness, they want to promote their product. Okay, so each and every stage they are setting a strategy. So we will discuss here. And the poor marketing of the product, because as a marketing team, when you are doing activities like marketing function, okay, under merchandising function, even the physical distribution function, even supporting function, of course if, as a marketers, they want to promote more and more to create awareness. You have to educate the customers. Okay, then only the product can be a succeed. Okay, the product flop, there are different reasons for the product flop. Okay, so lead to withdraw of the product from the market due to different reason, such as, see, there are physical product or intangible service. Okay, intangible product called service. Okay, all the product whatever you are offering for the end consumer, of course there are too many reasons for the customers can be rejecting. Okay, even when the marketers they are not creating at the time of launching a product. Okay, so of course you have to select a best advertising channel for just creating an awareness. So when the quality is a defect, the consumers are not ready to accept. Even the packaging pattern, even the brand how we are building, so everything is matter for. So a product not being able to realize the required market share, because as a producer, as a businessman, when they are when they start taking any steps to go for production, so of course they are producing a mass production. When they are produce mass production, of course they are expecting from the customer, they want to buy the product. Okay, so the customer, whenever they are ready to purchase your product, so now the businessman they are start capturing. Okay, so because number of customers are giving a good response for your product what you are offering to the end consumers. So that is called market share. Okay, to sustain its presence in the market, because there are different types of market we are going to study based on the geography, based on the volume, based on the transaction. Okay, there are different types of market. This concept is already I have explained in the first section. A product not being able to get the anticipated life cycle. How human beings having a life cycle, the same thing the product also having a life cycle. Okay, there are four major life cycle stages will be there for developing after developing a product. There are four major stages which is related to the product, because the human beings, if you take an example, the life will start from the childhood, then teenage, adult, then old age, okay, then later on, okay. So defined by the organization, and the ultimate failure of the product is not achieving a profitable at all, because when you are not expecting a majority response from the customer, of course the company's organization, they are not able to generate the revenue. The product is an asset for any company. That's what, whenever you're launching a product, whenever you're introducing a product, of course you're expecting a more sales. Any businessman, of course, they are expecting a more sale. When you are expecting a anticipated projected sales before introducing a product, so you have already clearly sales budget you are prepared. So with the help of sales budget, you can forecast what is the demand. When you are not expecting a maximum response from the customer, because the customers, if they are purchasing, of course the companies are generating a profit. Moving forward, here the causes for the new product failure, there are too many reasons for rejecting the product or failure of product. So here, according to some study by industry, it is estimated that around 70 to 80% of new product is failed, because in the global market, okay, there are million of products are introduced day by day. So of course here 70 to 80% the product will be failed. So due to number of reasons, I have specified here 9 reasons. The product is too new to the market. Whenever you are introducing a new product, either it is an FMCG or luxury product, whatever it is required to the customer or industry product and consumer product. So consumer product, when you are introducing a product or launching a product to the market, of course you need to create more and more awareness. Unless you are not creating a more awareness about the product or service, of course that product can be fail, because of the product is too new to the market, because consumers, they want to finally purchasing your product, the buyer want to accept, okay. So unless the company is not creating awareness, of course the customers are not ready to purchase your product. That's what, which is a new product, okay. So the lack of ample amount of promotion, because the promotion is nothing but the convey message regarding your product features, regarding what kind of product you are offering for the end consumer. So you need to promote properly. So when the company is not ready to spend concentrate promotional activity, of course this particular product what you are introducing, okay, for the first time, definitely the consumers are not showing their interest to purchase their product. The promotion is playing a very important role, okay. So under promotion mix means advertising you can do, or publicity you can do, sales promotion you can do, okay. So there are different tools we are adapting in the promotional. Difficult to understanding market basket analysis. Market basket analysis is, which is nothing but the retail analysis, okay. And there are too many retail, when you are going for the retail or supermarket, okay. So this particular information, this analysis is related to the retail sector. When the retail sector, the consumers are going inside the retail outlet, of course they are able to find out too many products according to the organizing system, how they kept properly. So this particular analysis will be giving, okay. It is a clear, difficult to understand the market basket analysis, exactly, which is related to retail. In the retail outlet, there are too many products, they are kept. Of course you have to get the information from the, okay, whenever their company are displaying their product in the specific rack, of course if the product movement is there, means the count is reducing day by day, okay. Customer not showing the response, the product whatever you display as it is, you can see. Product not meeting the customer perception. Now any producer or any organization, when they are producing the product, of course you have to study the consumer perception, their needs, their wants. So based on the consumer needs, if you produce, definitely the consumer can purchase your product, okay. In case the producer, they are not giving any importance to the consumer requirement, preference or perception, of course this particular product can be failure. Product not being sold to the customer, who need it, because the customers, consumers are located in the different geographical area. So those who are really required, if the product availability is not there, means of course this product can also fail, because consumers to consumer, so based on their real requirement, they are showing their interest to purchase the product. If they shown interest to purchase the product, of course the availability of product should be there. The quality of the product not being good, if the quality, most of the customers or consumers are giving more importance for the quality. If the quality is differ, because of quality differ, okay, defect in the quality or defect in the product, or quality, poor quality, the consumers are not showing their interest. Suppose if they purchase, they are referring for other customer or other consumer not to buy this product. And failure in understanding the customer needs and want, because failure in understanding the customer's needs and want. Now we are standing in the modern marketing concept. The modern marketing concept are always giving a priority for consumer needs and wants. Based on the consumer needs and wants, if you try to produce or offering a product to the consumer based on their real requirement, so of course this product can be succeed. In this case, when you are not given any priority for consumer what exactly need based on the needs wants, so in this case this product will be fail, because you are not at all given importance for the consumer needs and wants. And poor execution of the product. As a businessman, when they are decided to produce a product, that is nothing but your product plan. When you are trying to go for product plan, there are number of plans will be ready. So in this you are choosing a best one. Whenever you choosing a best one, of course immediately you need to implement. So if you are not implemented timely, your competitors can offer the same kind of product. So what is your position here? Your position is you are not expecting a sales, because of properly you are not executed the plan whatever you decided. Fixing the problem that does not even exist. Fixing the problem, because when you are dealing a product in the environmental market, you are studying a marketing environmental factors and even the geographical environmental factors. And when you are selecting a segmentation, you are giving based on the segmentation also, which is wherever you are finding a problem, of course you need to find a best solution. Okay, so because you are not fixing a problem right time, of course your product can be failed. Moving forward, there are few examples. There are too many examples of product failure, because in the last slides you have seen there are 70 to 80% of new product will be failed. Okay, so I just specified the few examples here. Some of the examples of the product failure are, one is Galaxy Note 7 is failed because of number of reasons. And under Coca-Cola company, few brands are failed, few product are failed. New Coke, Dasani in UK, Coca-Cola Black, Coca-Cola C2. Okay, this is coming under the Coca-Cola company. So, and Virtual Boy, Touch of Yogurt Shampoo, Coor Rocky Mountain, Crystal Pepsi, Window Vista, Fire Phone, Facebook Home, Microsoft Zone. These are the example just for understanding. Okay, so moving forward. Now the product life cycle, it is an 100% expected question from the point of examination. Even the internal also you can expect this question, but is very clear. When human beings having a life, I just know repeating once again, I have already explained. So once again, how human being life will be starting, which is one small child, then teenage, then adult, then old age, under old age, senior old age. Okay, and see, according to age wise, if you try to study life cycles of the human, same thing, the product also having a life cycle. You can see this diagram here. And Philip Kotler is a modern marketing father. The product life cycle portrait distinct stage in the sales history of the product, because whenever the producer or start producing the product, of course before introducing into the market they are trying to develop the concept. That's what the product new product development stage you have to do. Okay, so of course the product is ready, then the development concept is ready, now it is going ready to go for the market. Okay, which is starting from the beginning stage to end stage. Okay, the life of the product completely, which is depending on the product life cycle. Each and every product having a life cycles. Corresponding to this stage, there are distinct opportunity and problem with respect to the marketing strategy. So each and every, there are 4 stages you are able to identify here. Each and every stage we are setting a strategy. So strategy is based on policy or your company objective, okay, or your vision. So of course the product, when you are introducing into the market, definitely you are setting an objective for this respected product. Okay, and projected potential, because when you are expecting a sales from the customer, of course which is going through or pass through the different stages. Okay, so of course, and by identifying the stage that product is in or maybe headed towards, company can formulate the better marketing plan. See, each and every stage, there are 4 stages. Okay, so at the time of introduction, so before that the product is ready to develop, which is already developments. Now it is the right time to go for introducing. So in the first stage, introduction stage, before that, which is going for the development stage, the product is going for developing. After developing a product, now introduction stage. Of course, when you are introducing, when you are launching a product for the first time, which is coming under the introduction. Now y-axis, which is nothing but your sales, and x-axis is nothing but the time period. Okay, in the introduction stage, of course the company are not able to expect more sales, because you need to create lot of awareness about your product, what you are giving. Okay, just focusing on the free what and all features. Okay, just comparing with the each and every stage, the company or organization are setting a best marketing plan or strategy. And in growth stage, slowly you are start capturing a market. Now for example, first time you are introducing in Karnataka, there you are expecting only for 20% of sales. Okay, slowly the company are ready to spend more and more expenditure toward advertising. They are creating awareness, more and more awareness they created. Now slowly you are capturing a market share. So now from the introduction stage, very low. Okay, in this company are not finding too much profit. So in this growth stage, of course your sales will be increased. Now 40%, assume 40% your sales you are increasing, because you have started creating. Whenever the introduction share, you are giving a more offer and discount facility. Okay, and maturity, once you reach majority shares, okay, market shares you captured, the customer are showing a good response towards your product. So of course you are in the maturity stage. Now if there is any competitors arising or offering the same category of product what you are offering to the end consumer, if there is any competitors came, of course your sales will be declined. Okay, now which is starting from introduction, which is ending from decline. In the declining stage, you can go for a spending towards the promotional activity to extend the sales. So that is nothing but your product extension. Okay, now you are taking a steps to go for each and every stage. I will discuss here in the next slide one by one. Now here you can see the diagram. It is looking very nice diagram here. Okay, x-axis, y-axis denote for sales, and x-axis not denote for time period. Now in the company, any company, I told you it is very clear, any company, product is an asset. You have to treat your product as an asset. Okay, so when the product is going for the development, now it is developed, the product is ready. Okay, now based on the whatever you develop product, now you're trying for the introducing or launching a product to real market. Okay, so when you are introducing the product, of course the company are not expecting a more sales. Okay, very slowly you are capturing. In this stage the company are facing no profit, the company is not getting a profit at all. Okay, so now you start creating awareness about your product, okay, with the help of social media, television, sales promotional activity, or giving a lot of offers. Okay, so the customers are, once they are aware of this your product, of course the customers are start purchasing your product. Now you are expecting a sales around, assume for example 40% you are expecting. In this particular product, if there is no competitors, of course you can expect more sales. Okay, so exactly the company going under the marketing structure. Okay, under marketing structure where they are standing, exactly they want to predict. So for that reason only the marketing structure, the economical concept, if you are saying monopoly, oligopoly and pure competition. Okay, so there are different types of marketing category. Okay, and once you created more and more awareness about your product, the customer are purchased, they started to purchase your product. Of course you are in the maturity stage. In the maturity stage, now compared to growth stage, your share, okay, around 80% of sales you are expecting from the customer, or the customers are showing their interest towards your product, they start purchasing your product. Okay, now we are in the maturity. In this stage this company are getting a more profit. Okay, in future any competitors are giving same kind of product, compared to your product they are offering a more benefits or more value added benefits. Okay, so when you are finding any competitors in this stage, slowly it is declining your sales. For example 60%, 40%, what exactly in the growth stage when it is increasing order, now it is a decreasing also. Now company having again one more strategy. Either if the sales is decreasing, how I can improve my sales. Okay, so it is nothing but the product extension. So in this stage also you have to, as a company they are start creating more awareness about the same existing product whatever it is there in the market. Okay, so they are giving a low price or promotional or discount facility or coupon. Okay, with the help of social media they are promoting. Okay, so again you are building rebranding. Okay, now the whatever the brand you have built till the maturity, so again you have to build for the existing brand. Okay, so moving forward, in marketing strategy for introduction stage, under introduction stage, now you can recall the diagram whatever I have shown in the last slide. So in the introduction stage, because a million of product having a life cycle, each and every product has having a life cycles. Clear? The introduction stage marked with the slow growth in sales, and very little or no profit, because very little and no profit, because when you are introducing product for the first time, of course the consumer want to aware of this product what you are offering. Okay, so what is the benefit you are offering. Okay, so when you are adding more and more benefits to the product, of course you have, as a company you have a right ability, you have a responsibility to create more awareness about your product what you are introduced. So in this case the company are spending more amount, more expenditures towards promotional activity, because promoting the product is very important in the introduction stage. That's why the company are not getting a profit at all. Product has been newly introduced. Any new product which is arriving for market or launching for the first time, again which is newly arrived product, of course as a company they want to create, how they want to create more awareness of the new product. The sales volume is very limited. Now slowly you are capturing a market share. Based on the consumer response, the consumer are showing interest towards your product. Of course you are expecting a very little sales value. Okay, little market share. Product and distributions are not given more emphasis. The product and distribution channel, when the producer they start producing, finally it is reaching to the end consumer. In this introduction stage, they are not giving a more importance for distribution, and even the product quality, product packaging, okay, they are not given. So for this reason is it is very clear to understand here, product and distributions are not given more emphasis, only given importance how I can capture market share, okay, the consumer how they are going to purchase my product. The basic constituent of marketing strategy for this stage including price and promotion. Okay, maybe they are keeping fixing a price very low and they started spending for promotional activity. Of course the company or introduction says they want to create a more awareness about the product. Price and promotion are both may be kept high or low depending upon the market situation. Market situation, if nobody is offering the same kind of product, I have a rights to charge more. Okay, if anybody's the competitors are available in the market, so then of course I just want to reduce my price to capture the market shares. And management approach, observe in the figure last whatever it is there. Okay, now the market situation, according to market situation we are fixing a price. Okay, according to market situation we are spending a huge amount, huge expenditure towards the promotions. Okay, so and management approach, now you can see in the introduction say there are major 4 strategy we are able to identify here, major 4 strategy. So under introduction marketing strategy here, which is looking like a 2 into 2 contingents table. Okay, so which is looking like a matrix. So here promotion high, promotion low. Okay, and same thing, price high, price low. Okay, when promotion is high, price is high, rapid skimming strategy. Okay, from actually highest price you are keeping, high to low, slowly you are reducing. Best example, Apple company. Okay, and the same thing, promotion is low but price is high. Okay, promotion is low, price is high, which is nothing but a slow skimming strategy. Okay, the price is always high but promotion they are not spending compared to in their rapid skimming strategy, which is promotion is low. Okay, so now which is nothing but Samsung, Sony. Okay, this is an example. The promotion is high and price is low. The best example is Reliance Jio. Okay, so at the time of they are introducing a product or providing a service, they gave free of cost. Okay, so why they have provided free data, free service? Because they want to capture more and more share. That's what the price is low and promotion they spend promotional activity high cost. Okay, and the same thing, promotion is low and price is low. Promotion is low, price is also low. This is low penetration strategy. Okay, here one more time, a skimming strategy. First strategy, low skimming strategy. Second one, rapid penetration. Rapid penetration means what? From the low price. Okay, low price. Even slow penetration strategy, low promotion, low price. Okay, moving forward. Under marketing strategy for growth rate, now we are in the second stage. Okay, now in this growth stage, of course any company they want to create more awareness, and even they are giving a number of offers and discount for the capturing. They just want to decide how to capture market share from the market. So this is the stage of rapid market acceptance, because compared to introduction, the awareness is very less. Now in the growth stage, of course, the growth is very clearly it is showing. When the customer are showing interest, they are ready to purchase your product. Of course, you are standing in the growth stage. The strategy are aimed at sustain market growth as long as possible. The strategy are aim at sustaining market growth as long as possible. Okay, that means more and more customer you are expecting. In this stage, you are expecting a more and more customers to purchase your product. Here, the aim is not to increase awareness, but to get trial of the product, because trial of the product means how this product responds, okay, how the consumers are showing their interest. I just want to know in this stage. Okay, so next one, the company try to enter new segment and new competition, because when you are start capturing one specific city or specific state, now you are trying to concentrate for other state, other city. So that's what you are going for, the new segment. Segment is a total area, your total population we are dividing into small part. So with the help of you can't entirely world you cannot capture, no. So slowly you are segmenting. Okay, the product to product there is a different variations we are finding. Okay, the different products when it is available. So this respected product for whom I made, whom I produce, of course you need to identify your target customers who can show their interest to purchase your product. The company try to strengthen competitive position in the market. How you can set the best strategy for strengthening your marketing strategy which is related to competitive position in the market. Suppose any company, if they are compete with any competitors, of course they want to go for how I can build my brand image, how I can go for strengthen my market strategy with the help of market strategy. Okay, so it may forgo maximum current profit to earn still greater profit in the future. It may forgo maximum current profit to earn still greater profit. Now for example, when you are taking an example like any company are offering a product for the end consumer, now slowly they are expecting a sales. Whenever they are expecting a good sales, of course the company is there in the positions to get a profit. Okay, they are start getting a profit. Several plausible strategy for this stage are as under. First one, how you can capture, how you can strengthen your market, because the product quality and features improvement. Again, you can think about how I can improve this quality and how I can add more and more features in this product, and adding a new model and improving a style. So if at the stage of introduction I have introduced model number 1, now in the growth stage I can introduce one more model, model number 2 also I can introduce, even I want to improve my growth. And entering a new market segmentation, I just told when I launched for the first time, I selected one specific area or one city or metropolitan city. Now slowly I can extend for other city I can concentrate. And even the designing part, improving and widening distribution network. Compared to the last stage, we are not concentrating for the distribution. Okay, now in this stage we are trying to go for designing, improving and widening a distribution channel. I am spreading the product for other different city or different geographical location. And reducing price at the right time to attract price sensitive consumer. Now if you take rural customers, always they are bothering about the price, they are coming under the price sensitive consumer. Okay, so that's what, how I can target them to reduce my price. Okay, so if the urban people, they are always going for the standard packing, but the rural people, they are going for just 5 rupee pack or 10 rupee pack. That's what how I can improve. So I know, so I just want to set a best strategy to start capturing a market share. And preventing competitors to enter the market by low price and high promotional effort, because in the competitors we cannot control, because the competitors what kind of product, when I produce, when I am offering the same product, the same kind of product the competitors also offering with the very low price and high promotional effort. So I just want to capture, make them, that my consumers want to satisfy, they are very happy towards using my product. If they are really happy when they are using my product, so of course I am in the safer zone. Moving for next slide. Under marketing strategy, under maturity stage, now we are in the third stage, maturity. Now company, whenever they are offering a product to the end consumer based on their real requirement, okay, compared to competitors, if they are not offering the same kind of product whatever I am offering to the end consumer, so I have already captured majority market share from the market. The consumers are, they start purchasing, they are showing the interest towards my product. So we are in the maturity stage. In this stage I am expecting a more and more profit because there is more sales. In this stage, the competitors have entered the market. In this stage, this specific stage, after capturing, now I have captured around, out of 100%, I have captured around 80%. Okay, the consumer are purchasing my product. So in this stage, obviously, I can predict, anticipate, there can be a competitors can offer the whatever I am offering for the product. So the similar product, the competitors also offer to the end consumer. So we need to take the right decision in this stage, because if you are not taken any right decision, of course consumer can, you can lose your consumer. The consumer are not showing interest to your product. That's what the company want to set a strategy towards a majority. There is several fight among them for more market share. Now competitors, here one more competitors also they came. Now now for example the competitor introduction stage they passed, even the growth stage also passed, even now they are in the maturity stage. Maybe I can lose my market share. So again, how I can go for just again rebranding my existing product whatever it is there in the market. So I just want to decide. Okay, so the company adapt to aggressive marketing strategy to defeat the competitor. I just want to face the competition, means again I want to think about it, the marketing strategy, how it is work. Clear? The following possible strategy are followed. To do nothing, either too many competitors also let them come, I won't do anything. So that is nothing but to do nothing. Whatever the existing strategy is there, the same thing which is carried. Okay. So here to do nothing. To do nothing can be effect marketing strategy in the maturity stage. The new strategy are not formulated. Company believe it is advisable to do nothing. Whatever the existing strategy which is applicable for the maturity stage, what we as a marketer decided, they are following the same strategy. They are not doing, they are not modifying this strategy. Second, the market modification. Either you are, when you are capturing a market, now for example this product is offered only for Karnataka, now you can go for modification. How I can go? Based on the product modification, either design, either quality or packaging, okay, or price reduction, offering a more scheme, or coupons are providing for the consumer to purchase my product. Okay, so this modification according to the whatever is required for the product. This strategy is aimed at increasing sale by raising the number of brand, user and usage rate per user. For example, one customers are weekly they are purchasing 5 product. If they want to purchase more than 5 product, I need to apply something strategy so that I can attract the same customer can purchase 7 product or 8 product. Okay, so the usage rate, how I can increase, because whenever I am trying to promote the product, okay, so I will focus based on the consumer mindset, psychology factors. As a marketer, if they well familiar about the psychology, the consumer usage rate also I can increase, because what kind of strategy you are doing. Moving forward, and product modification, I just told the product modification means or your, for example you are offered only model number 1. Now product modification means little modification in the design, color, okay, or packaging strategy. Okay, so you are introducing a model 2. Now this is also one kind of examples here, product modification, or offering a more and more adding more and more features about the existing product whatever it is there in the market. Okay, the product modification involve improving product quality, one factor, and modification product characteristic, like there are too many attributes are now product can be which is based on the core benefit, actual benefit, or potential benefit. Okay, so your the consumers are expecting to purchase some handset because only the core benefit is only communication. If actual benefit means too many benefits they are finding, the consumer are purchasing a handset because of battery backup or design or number of features. If it is there means consumers are showing their interest. So if you are offering a many, you are adding too many benefits to the individual product, of course the usage rate also you can increase. To attract new consumer and more usage rate for the consumer, because product can be offered based on the income level. Okay, low level people are always going for a keypad handset, high level people they are going for the Android set. So of course I can capture based on the demographical factor, based on the psychography factor, sociography factor, even the geographical factor also I can go for modification the product. Okay, based on what and all I want to provide more and more compared to your competitors. And marketing mix modification, I think you are well familiar. Under marketing mix there are 4 P's are compulsory under physical product. One is, the first one is the product is 1 P, and price and place and promotion. Okay, each and every element what we are finding in the marketing mix, so I can go for modification. For example, if you take for product modification, okay, how I can modify the product? Either I am creating a more awareness about the product, whatever it is there existing product, so which is I'm just extending the packaging strategy. I will go for the innovative packing strategy, or I am building a brand about the product, or labeling about the product mix, and the product mix label, brand, packaging. Okay, this kind of changes I can do here. Okay, and even the price mix, when at the time of introducing a product you kept high price, now I can go for reducing price, or you can provide discount, or you can provide for credit facility. Okay, this is related to price mix. And place mix, means what? The place, how I can modify? I have covered entire Karnataka. Now in this stage I can go for capturing in Kerala. Okay, so otherwise I can go for place modifications like Tamil Nadu. So or if you are taking any respected city or metro city, okay, I can focus on the basis on density, like rural, semi-urban, urban. So like this place also I can modify here. Okay, this may stimulate sales. Company should reasonable modifying one or more elements of the marketing mix. Either they can concentrate only for product modification, or they can concentrate for price, or they can concentrate for place, or they can concentrate for promotional. Okay, so under promotional mix, what modifications we can do? At the time of launching a product, they use advertising channel like print media. Now if there is a lot of demand for social media, so that's what I can go and approach for the social media to just creating a more awareness about my product in the maturity stage. Moving forward, now we are in the last stage, declining stage. When you are felt your product, there is whatever you are expecting in the maturity stage, 80% shares from the customer or consumer, now it is start reducing for 60 or 40 or 20. In this case, what kind of strategy the company can adapt? Okay, so the first one, the company formulate various strategy to manage the decline stage. Even in this stage also the company can set a new strategy. The first important task is to detect the poor product, because under company there are too many products are offered for the consumer. Now you need to study the product line. Now product line, for example, when it is going for vertical, now under company when they launch for the first time model number 1, okay, again they are introduced for other product which is nothing but article 1, okay, other commodity they offered. So there are too many product are coming under the vertical format, which is nothing but product line. Okay, now Tata is not offering only one product like automobile. Okay, so only nano is not available. There is a sports vehicle. There are different types of car you are able to identify as a consumer. So because many product are available under product line. Now in this you need to identify which product is coming under the poor product. Okay, you have to identify this product, detect the product in the right time, so that I can go for modification of the strategy, or how I can improve my sales, I can decide here. After detecting the poor product means what? The consumer response is reducing. The consumer not willing to purchase your product, what you are offering to the end consumer. A company should decide whether poor product should be dropped. Okay, the company, when they are expecting a only 10% of share after maturity, so the company have a rights to decide either I can remove this product. Suppose assume this product is not at all generating any revenue. Okay, if they are keeping no use, of course they want to remove, or how I can go for extending a sales. Some company formulates special committee for the task known as product review committee. Now each and every product there is compulsory the product team is working. So here also in this stage they are making or framing the one committee. So they are trying to collect why this product is getting very low sale. Okay, why the customer are not showing the interest. There are too many reasons we have discussed in the last slide why the product is getting failed. Okay, as a product review committee they are trying to find a best solution, collecting all the information from the consumer, competitor, wholesaler, retailer. All the informations are really required. The committee collect data from the internal and external source. Okay, within the internal or external source and evaluate the product. Now they are now it is a stage for evaluating. Now why this product is not getting sale? Okay, of course I just want to find out exact what exactly problem we are facing in this particular product. On the basis of the report submitted by the committee, suitable decisions are taken. Okay, the committee, whatever they are providing a report to the management. If it is negative report, of course the company product, whatever it is not generating a revenue, so you have to remove, or you can go for extending the demand using a different strategy. The company may follow any of the following strategy in this decline stage. So one is continue with the original product. Original product means whatever you are offered, you are not removing. You are same, you are extending the market using something different strategy. You are not remove the product, original product, whatever it is there, which will continue. You are not least bothering about the sales. Continue product with improvement. So if the product is when you are launching a product, just you provided only two features only. When you are introducing the product, you are just provided offered for only two features. Okay, now you are adding for four feature, or designing part you are changing, or packaging part you are changing, or labeling concept you are changing. So you can improve your product based on the quality factors, or based on the marketing mix, like a place, a promotion, price, play. Okay, and drop the product. Of course, after submitting a report completely, you're getting a negative report from the committee. So now the company have a rights to go for drop the product, because this particular product is not at all generating a revenue for the company. Product may be dropped in the following way. One is sell the production and sales to other company. Sale what? Suppose you produce for 10,000 product. Till the maturity stage, you are already sold for 8,000 product. Now remaining 2,000 product is unsold. Okay, now you are in the stage to go for sell the production till 2,000 sales, 2,000 product, whatever it is lying in the godown or warehouse. So you have to wait. Okay, so till this product is getting sale. Otherwise, sell the other company. Now for example, you're not at all finding only one competitors, there are too many competitors, or you don't decide you are only providing this product, there is other competitors also providing what similar product what you are producing. So that's what I can communicate with them. So the same 2000 product I can sell for other company, other competitor. Second one, stop production gradually to divert the resource to other product. Now for example, one specific company or organization or businessman, they are not at all offering only one product. So under product line, there are two, they are offering too many products. Okay, product 1, product 2, product 3. Okay, like this the product is keep on extending. So in this stage what we are need to do, we are stopping the production. We are, suppose this product is not at all expecting a sales. Okay, so of course you are stopping the production. Okay, whatever the demand you are expecting from the customer, you are not expecting a demand because this product is not generating any revenue or sales. So this product what we are using resource or input like machine source, labor source or raw material, the same machine or raw materials or labor force or other overheads can be diverted to other product. The inputs can be transferred to other product concentration. Okay, that is diverting a resource to the other company. Now last one, drop product immediately. When you are not expecting a sales, you are spending your energy towards marketing activity or production activity, you are just thinking, okay, how I am not able to get the sales, so whatever I projected early. So immediately you don't want to take the tension, means immediately you have to drop this product. Keep on watch for next session. Thank you.